easy is this or how hard is this? Well, it actually looks really simple. So this just simply slides right in, which is cool. And for these, you just simply put this through and then you thread on the holders. Similar, just like this. You can mount them a little bit different how you want. So these are magnets on the other end. And it's gonna look just like this. Got the caps on there. Okay, how well is this gonna work? Woohoo! Just like that. Look at that. Nice and solid. You can adjust the legs as well. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust the legs on these. But yeah, just like that. Comes with hooks. If you want to pop this off, you can pop it off and keep things on here like that. If not, you can just keep that on there. You got your nice little tray. You can hang stuff off here. Again, they provide you with hooks. Yeah, this is really nice. So just a great thing that works with magnet. So strong that we can open our fridge. That's how strong it is. You can also tilt it upward, downward, left, right, and you can adjust all of that by the sides here as you want. So very nice.